I can't wait to back squat. This is my favorite day. Let's do this. Going down, down, down. Oh, my back. If you've ever experienced lower back pain when squatting, this might be why. Certain individuals have different biomechanics through their body when doing squats. Biomechanics is a fancy term, bio meaning body, and mechanics simply movement. So somebody who's taller will have different squatting biomechanics for the most part than somebody who's shorter. Usually taller people overall have long femurs and a shorter torso relative to their overall body size. So for them to get down to a full squat depth, they actually need to bend over quite a bit to get to parallel, almost making it like a good morning squat. People who are shorter actually have a longer torso and shorter overall femurs relative to their body size. So they're actually usually able to stay extremely upright when doing a squat. So naturally, as we mentioned, that taller person will maybe have a little more back pain simply because they're literally using more of their back during the squat workout versus that shorter person who will have a much more upright torso. But this isn't to say that squatting with your back over like that will actually lead to more back pain. It's just that your back likely isn't used to that position under lots of load. So if you properly progress yourself and slowly build up your weight over time, you shouldn't have any more back pain than that person who can keep an upright torso when they're squatting. One other thing to mention is that initially when you start squatting, a lot of people have trouble with their balance and body position, so they might have that squat where they're bending over. Basically, even if you have a squat that is really good morning-esque, you should be able to build more mobility and strength through your lower body so you can be a little more upright over time, even if it's just a little bit. There are many tools that can implement this, the squat slant board being one of them. Also at the gym, you can grab some weights, put them below your heels, and that will kind of mimic doing slant board squats. Last but not least is of course squatting shoes. These shoes have a little heel designed for squatting, which basically puts the heel a lot more upright than a normal shoe. And just like the first two implements, will allow you to squat deeper without that hitch forward. At the end of the day, however you squat, go as low as you can without pain, slowly progress over time, and embrace the squat design that your body has.